these are the places where people really came to understand that they as an institution, as a community, were those who wanted to be out in the larger community, serving for the sake of something larger than themselves, who understood that unity is not just a gift, but it's an obligation to work out. That and to truly be a force for unity in the world, which I would argue is that core goal of this social movement called Christianity in the world. For there to be true unity, it has to be more than an idea or a sort of a passive tolerance. It's an active struggle toward full inclusion. And so you can't know who isn't included yet if you don't know your neighbors. And so finding those mechanisms for more deeply engaging the community, building relationships, and then we're in a place where, okay, now we can talk about what it actually might look like for everybody to be included in a place of unity.